So in this slide, I was talking about you have the original feature space and you perform PCA to find principal components 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is PC1, PC2, and so on. So how can you create new features with a lower dimension? So K should be significantly smaller than N. And we can use other supervised learning algorithms on this lower dimensional space. Hopefully, the performance is better. So one simple example is the eigenbases. Um, so the process is very simple. You just you use this whole thing is called xi. So given xi, you just find a dot product between u and xi, and u1 and xi, and u2 and xi, and so on. And then the new features will be our new feature space. So one example I had is this. So suppose you have two principal components, and original space is three-dimensional. So the new space will be two-dimensional. No, because there are two principal components. So what we're going to do is very simple. Just do u1 transpose x and u2 transpose x. So this number is going to be the first number, and this is second, so a new vector will be like this. So how to do dot product is just this multiplied by this plus this multiplied by this plus this multiplied by this, which last one is 0. The first two is 1 times this plus 2 times this, so it's basically 3 times this. And similarly for the second one is 1 times this, subtract one of this from 2 times this, which is 1 over square root 2. So this is B.